What's going on? Adel here with Web3 TV. We're live at the Future of Blockchain Summit. Today I have a special guest, Akash from AsitShiv Ventures. How are you doing, Akash?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. It's a pleasure to have you on the show.
you.
Tell us a little bit about your company.
So basically, we are a company which combines AI, blockchain, and the legal side. Okay, so we have around 300 lawyers all over the world. So we want to take this company on a global level. We are helping companies who are there in the crypto business to make sure that they are compliant with all the legal things, and also if they have any applications wherein they want to use blockchain or AI, we are going to provide them some consultancy services for that.
So at the very core, would you say you are a consultancy?
Exactly. Yes.
Oh, very nice.
So basically, we are a AI and blockchain consultancy service.
So tell us a little about, I love the AI side of things. Tell us a little bit about how you're implementing AI to help with your consultancy.
Okay, so basically we have worked with a lot of companies like Pepsi. Sorry, we have worked with a lot of companies, for example, Pepsi, to get their data on blockchain. That is point number one. The second thing that we have helped them with is the demand forecasting. So obviously they want their supply chain and the demand to be in line with each other. So we have helped them with that. The other part of the work that we have our foots in is the healthcare domain. So we have helped a lot of hospitals set up their data pipeline, and also we are soon going to come up with a product or helping a hospital to come up with the product basically. So for example, you have a particular patient who is going into 5-6 hospitals separately, individually, right? So all of those hospitals are not able to share that information, right? So we want to enable that. So the way that we are going to enable that is going to be through blockchain, right? So we are going to make sure that if in different hospitals there is a single patient going, we will make sure, or we will predict that if it's the same patient or not, so that in other hospitals also the data can be shared. So that data is going to be on blockchain, hence it will be secure, and we'll be writing the smart contracts so that the the access and all would be taken care by the smart contracts.
And in terms of monetization, how do you monetize for your services?
So basically, we help companies, like I mentioned, right? We help companies to make sure that they're compliant with all the on the legal side. So the companies give us the documents, etc., which we read through AI, because the manual reading obviously takes a lot of time. So let's say if there is a company who has some people already, and they'll read the documents manually, and then they'll be able to analyze that. Okay, what's the problem? What's the issue? So we read that through AI, and we reduce the turnaround time by a lot as compared to the manual reading. So that's how we enable that, and we gain a lot of profits from that.
So you charge a fee for your
Yes,
time.
correct. Yes.
Okay, fundamentally.
So the amount of documents that we are reading for a company, we charge by the document.
Interesting, understood. So a question here, and to play devil's advocate, because I've interviewed many people here.
Sure.
What's stopping them, the client, from also using ChatGPT or Bard or any other machine learning AI to do this for themselves without using your service?
So the thing is that one thing that we have is that ChatGPT, etc., are not trained specifically for the legal purpose. They aren't trained specifically for the crypto business. They are not trained for that. So for doing that, they will have to first of all set up the whole data pipeline to train it, and then obviously pay OpenAI for the API, and also a per token fee for the pre-training. So instead of doing all that, for that they'll have to set up their own IT team, etc. So instead of doing that, they feel that it's better to come to us to take our services, because we have already everything set up, and it'll help them much faster. Right?
Interesting. Very. I want to read this statement out loud. So turning blockchain and AI into gold mines with regulatory mastery. Tell us how you turn blockchain and AI into gold mines.
So basically, see, whenever we talk about crypto, the first thing that comes into mind is gold, right? So that's where we are writing, because we are enabling the companies, the crypto companies, right? So that's where the name blockchain and AI, turning companies into gold mines with regulatory mastery.
Thank you so much, Akash, for this insightful interview. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. This is Web3 TV, and we'll see you next time.